ladies and gentlemen, these two beautiful concept cars set out the vision for Peugeot's future lineup here in China and beyond. Peugeot Concept 6 is the vision of a bold new breed of large sedan. Its feline silhouette merges sedan and shooting brake. It evokes Peugeot's long heritage of Grand Tourer estates, elegant and sporty, modern and timeless. Peugeot Concept 8 prepares the future of Peugeot's intelligent large SUVs. Its design purity suggests efficiency and aerodynamics. Its refined and powerful stance promises intuitive driving pleasure. Sporty and roomy, Peugeot announces the next king of the SUV jungle. Together, these two concepts embody what a Peugeot is: sporty, agile, and unmistakably expressive. In a world that is becoming increasingly uniform, we choose emotion, we choose presence, we choose meaning. Peugeot is setting a rendezvous in 2027. Starting next year, Peugeot plans to launch its new range of SUV and sedan models in China. These brand new models will deliver on Peugeot's serious about pleasure brand DNA. That means delivering French elegance, flair, and pleasure to engage our customers, all backed by the strength of Dongfeng and Peugeot's combined expertise, a winning combination. French charisma is born in Paris at the Peugeot Design Studio. Each of these cars showcases a fresh interpretation of Peugeot's feline future design direction. A Peugeot stands out through its posture, its precision, its natural sense of proportion. Volumes are full and structured. Surfaces capture light with precision. The silhouette asserts itself without excess. It's a perfect harmony of tension and elegance. Light plays a role in Peugeot's design identity. Look at our latest horizontal three-clause lighting signature, a modern reinterpretation of a design element from the 1980s, rooted in our heritage, yet projected into the future, and already showcased on the Polygon concept. Poised like lions, both of these new concept cars express power and elegance. Pleasure for the eyes, indeed, for all the senses. Of course, Peugeot's trademark iCockpit is at the heart. The iCockpit focuses attention on the driver with our innovative hypersquare steering system that reinvents the driving experience. Agile and intuitive at every turn. You can discover it here in our innovative, fun and agile Polygon concept car, a future-facing solution to city driving. And with Hypersquare, we remain true to our relentless pursuit of driving pleasure for all. Because with Hypersquare, innovation has purpose. Every element is designed to enhance the driving experience intuitively and effortlessly. For more fun and driving sensations, Peugeot's unique driving sensations are also thanks to the chassis tuning and handling setup inspired by the expertise gained from more than 100 years of racing heritage at Le Mans and around the world. Meaning performance and pleasure at every turn. An agile and dynamic experience for the driver thanks to steer-by-wire technology. And a comfortable experience for passengers, whatever the road surface, with continuous damping control. It's also intelligent pleasure delivered by level 3 hands-off, eyes-off ADAS and personalized driving modes. The car adjusts itself to the driver's mood for exhilaration or relaxation. Designed to last is Peugeot's third commitment, underpinned by NEV technology developed in partnership with Dongfeng. With a range of high-tech BEV and PHEV powertrains, all backed by the manufacturing quality of Dongfeng's Wuhan plant, offering world-class precision and production standards. I'm really excited to reveal these two concept cars here in Beijing because they embody the very best of Peugeot, the best of a future-facing French brand with a global footprint and more than 2 centuries of manufacturing and design history. We're proud to be back here at this unmissable event, the world's largest motor show, because the world is Peugeot's playground. It has always been, and it always will be. Since 1889, Peugeot has been bringing driving pleasure to the world. And today, Peugeot is present in 150 countries, selling 1.1 million cars per year. Last year, I set Peugeot's ambition to be among the top 5 European brands in the world by 2030, with 1.5 million sales. We have all the assets to achieve this ambition. Today, Peugeot is already the mainstream brand with the widest EV and hybrid lineup in Europe. Peugeot is the #2 hybrid brand in Europe and the #1 in France. We look towards our future with enthusiasm, confidence, and ambition. Today, China is at the forefront of the automotive world. So I'm particularly proud to be here today with Mr. Huang, Mr. Olivier, and Mr. Lu to open the next chapter for Peugeot in China. Peugeot has a strong history and a long love story with China. We were one of the first global brands to produce and sell cars in China. China has played a pivotal role in Peugeot's international development for a quarter of a century. Chinese customers have the most refined and demanding expectations in the world of technology, comfort, and sophistication. Your feedback has helped us shape our new global generation of models. Today, China is the center of EV, digital ecosystems, and intelligent mobility. And that's why this new era for Peugeot in China is not only strategic, it's essential. And today in Beijing, Peugeot is back. We're back with ambitious plans for cars designed in France by the Peugeot design team and engineered and produced here in China with Dongfeng. The best of both worlds. The best of French design and driving pleasure with the best Chinese know-how and market expertise. For sure, a winning combination. For China, but not only, because our plan is to export the cars manufactured in China to global markets. In the coming years, China should become a key production hub in Peugeot's global transformation plan. This plan will contribute to reach our ambition of 500,000 overseas sales by 2030. In short, in the next years, more than ever, China will be a special part of Peugeot's world. And thanks to China, Peugeot will take on the world. Thank you, everybody. Thank you especially to our loyal partners. I look forward to a prosperous and enriching future together. 谢谢。